focus over to some breaking inputs coming in from the state of Punjab. This, as we are being told that the Punjab Congress remains a fractured front. Fresh questions are being raised over the unity within Punjab Congress after senior leader and MP Charanjit Singh Channi was absent from the Lok Sabha during Rahul Gandhi's speech on Public Examination Amendment Bill or the Anti-Paper Leak Bill. Channi instead was in Faridkot leading a protest over the alleged pharmacy recruitment exam paper leak in Punjab. His absence has reignited speculation over the recent factionalism within the state unit, despite his earlier assertion that all is well after meeting the party high command. Let's quickly take this forward with Sabyasachi, who's joining me live on the broadcast. Sabya, such kind of allegations are not new to Punjab Congress. But what has speculated this fresh round of rumor, and what is it that you can share with us?
This is definitely causing Congress party a lot of trouble. It is causing their unity a dent because on one hand the district president of the Congress party in Faridkot, they had actually planned a protest today, that is 31st, that several MPs of the Congress party will be present and they would protest against the Aam Aadmi party on the alleged paper leak that has happened in the state of Punjab. Now a WhatsApp message was sent across to all the member of parliaments to Punjab that all the leaders has to be present in the house when leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi will be speaking. Now, out of the 7 MPs, 6 MPs was present. 1 MP did not attend. That was Mr. Charanjit Singh Channi, the former Chief Minister of Punjab. Now, he went to Faridkot and he held a protest. Now, what caused the trouble was that while he carried out this protest, several of his loyalists, several of the legislators were present out there. In fact, all the posters that was put across in Faridkot during the protest, that posters only featured Charanjit Singh Channi, not leader of opposition Mr. Rahul Gandhi or Mallikarjun Kharge. Now that has created a lot of trouble. Now the district president has written a letter to the Congress High Command, to Bhupesh Baghel, and CC'd to Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge as well as General Secretary Mr. K.C. Venugopal, and he has sought action against Charanjit Singh Channi on disciplinary grounds. Now the scheduled protest in Faridkot that was given by the district president on 31st, that has been scheduled now to 5th of August. Now, the main question here arises when the party official has given a protest time, then why was this parallel protest being called by Charanjit Singh Channi? So already there were disputes.
Absolutely, Channi will have to answer all of those questions that remain unanswered to the Congress High Command for sure. Many thanks to you, Sabyasachi, for bringing us all of those latest inputs on that.